Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the issue where Windows 11 keeps signing you out of apps. Start with a simple restart. Make sure your PC is connected to the internet, then restart it. This helps fix temporary problems caused by recent updates, especially the March 2026 update. Next, clean up saved credentials. Click on the search bar and type Credential Manager. Open it, go to Windows Credentials, and remove any saved entries related to the apps that keep signing you out. This clears outdated login data that may be causing the issue. Now, repair system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. This will find and fix any damaged system files. After that, check for updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates, as they may include fixes for sign-in problems. Finally, repair or reset the affected apps. Go to Settings, then Apps, and open Installed Apps. Find the app causing the issue, click the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. First, try Repair. If that does not work, choose Reset. Follow these steps one by one, and your sign-in issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching.